Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of queue on the application of Telegram. You will go to Telegram app as you see and you will click on settings as you see and you will click. In this page here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list here you will scrolling down until you find this window here of Telegram and you will click. Then in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.